Good day. My name is Zoejan Vincent Arachenza. I'm a student, third year student in LSPO here in San Pablo City, specializing in SMP or Service Management Program. And for this performance task, I will be conducting a one-on-one interview with a professional from the BPO industry. Today, we'll be learning about their journey, their insights, and their advice for students like me. Thank you for being with us today. To start, may you could please introduce yourself.
So, hi, I'm Ben Alimanto. Yeah.
So perhaps your full name po.
Ian Lemuel Alimanto.
What is your current position in your company?
So, I'm currently an implementation specialist.
And what is the name of your employer or the company you work for?
The name of the company is Accent Philippines Incorporated.
How long have you been working with this company? Your tenure is.
I've been working in the company for 10 years now.
Why did you choose to join the BPO industry?
Um, Technically, it's not a BPO company, but but it's a there's a there's a notion that it's a BPO company because it's a global company, but it's not. Although merong overlapping siguro na in terms of dun sa mga services, so parang siguro na-classify, but it is, if I'm not mistaken, our company is registered as parang nagsusubscribe siya dun sa regulation ng BPO company.
Ah,
So, yun lang. Dun lang sa ganong area. But, yung yung mismong industry natin is under the fintech.
thank you for that clarification. Next is, what do you like the most about being connected with your current employer?
Yeah. So, actually, this is my first job. So, after graduation, kasi ito na yung, kaya, tagay na rin ako dito. So, almost 14 years na yun. Pero, ang gusto ko kasi with the company is yung career opportunities, career growth. Like, meron kaming tinatawag na parang internal mobility. So, kumbaga hindi ka lang nasa-stop sa isang department. Ganyan. So, kung gusto mo matutunan yung iba-ibang roles, like, yun, parang gusto mo matutunan yung iba-ibang products ng company. So, yung ginawa ko personally. So, I tried to apply inter-department. So, yung first 2012 kasi ako nag-start. So, hanggang 2021, nasa content team ako, sa content collections. So, data, mga fundamentals data yung tinatawag. So, familiar ka sa mga balance sheet, income statement. So, yung mga data na from public companies, yun yung parang ina-update and pina-process na para meron kami sarili database. Kasi si Accent, ano kasi siya talaga parang financial software. So, data and analytics. Tapos, after nun, apply ako sa internal naman dito. So, ibang department. Consulting naman. So, more on client-facing role. So, yun. Tapos, parang ibang product din yun. Kaya, parang, yun, yung experience din. Pero, kahit ganun, nasa same company pa rin. Tapos yun, nakalipat ko lang this year. Implementation. Ito naman, more on talaga pag-onboard ng client sa software. Kasi software yung pinamigay. So, kita niya is in terms of subscription. So, parang siyang Netflix.
Oh.
Kaya nag-subscribe ka sa para magamit yung taxes. So, yun. Kaya, siguro sa talagang analogies parang yung mga Microsoft.
Ay, ma'am.
Ganun. So,
question is, how do you see your company contributing to this community, municipality, or city?
Ayun. Isa ko siya big side. Pero si Paxet, meron siyang sarili CSR, tinawag, community service, ng mga like art. Pero basically yun, meron mga programs si Paxet na parang may mga volunteer na ano, nagtutulong sa mga planting, gano'n, or minsan pupunta sa mga schools, tuturo, ganyan, mga English or math, ganyan. Tapos, so yun, tapos itong month na to, November is lagi yun, yearly, meron na yung against hunger na tutulong lagi si Paxet. So, may mga in-encourage ko nila mag-join sa mga mag-pack ng mga bigas or any products. So yun, tapos ima-match yun ni company yung mga volunteer hours na nag-match yan i-donate sa charity.
What will it take for a student like me to become as successful as you in the future?
Siguro, know your, talaga din. Ano yung, yung talagang yung isa ng interest. Kasi mahirap pumasok sa isang work na, after graduation, merong feeling na mahirap kung hindi mo, paano hindi mo talaga gusto yung gagawin mo. Pero, depende rin kasi sa mga tao. Like, for me, ang background ko in college ay economics. Different talaga siya.
Different sa inyo po.
Sa role. Kasi more on finance naman ito, accounting. Pero, hindi rin ako familiar. Pero, siguro, ano ba? Napag-aaralan na lang din siya. And then, okay. Kasi ang maganda naman kasi yung first may mga trainings kasi parang almost 2 months ata kami nagtitraining lang ng training. So parang in a way sa akin, bago siya. Pero at the same time, start din ako from scratch. So parang, tapos siguro naging interest din na lang din ako kasi medyo hindi naman sa may kahalay. May mga nakatulong din yung background ko sa atin. Numbers, may mga finance din ako kahit paano. So, and then, yun nga, and then software din yung company. And medyo yung mga parang technique. So, yun.
Thank you so much po for sharing those insights. I've learned a lot from your experience po. Once again, I would like to express my gratitude to, what's your name again, sir? And your position from your company.
As implementation.
Yes. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to learn from your professional journey. This interview was conducted here on Sunday, November 23. And at exactly 11:44. Thank you for watching.